The new kit for the 23-24 season is being launched here at 8 o'clock at St James's Park. It's coming up. Welcome back, it's Eddie here from Tyneside Life, and it's just a couple of minutes before 8 o'clock when the flagship store here at Newcastle United's ground, St James's Park, opens for the new kit to be sold. And I've been here since about 7:30 finding out what the crack is, and there are literally hundreds of people here in the queue. Oh, I think that's the shutters just opening now. They'll be dying to get in. So new kit, we've still got the same kit manufacturer, Castor. We have the new sponsorship, Sealer, a new deal worth to be about £25 million a year. That's going to be really needed for the summer transfer window. So yeah, hundreds of fans here really excited about getting the new shirt. We're going to find out what they think about the new design, what they think about Sealer and the new logo. They're off in there now, off to spend their money on the new shirts. Let's speak to some of the fans. Carl, congratulations, you're at the front of the queue of about 200 or 300 people here. What time did you get here?
About 5:45 we got here.
What do you think of the new design and the Sealer logo?
I like it. The blends are nice. Like I say, it's not like a big blue box of Wonga in the middle. It fits nice with the shirt. So and the stripes are quite broad as well. I like that design. You know, obviously it's a nice neckline. So we haven't seen the back yet. I want to see what the back's like. But so far, I love it. Yeah.
And Castor kit generally, I mean, personally, I'm a fan of it. What do you think of Castor?
I can't wait for Adidas to come back. I don't like the Castor at all. Like last year, I got the pre-sale. I got the pre-sale. Let's say before I even got mine, Sports Direct had their tops out before the club shop even did. So it's and down for size, and as well, you can buy two different styles. Like the home kit, different size to what the rear kit was. I can't wait for them to change. Like.
Pleased to meet you, Karen. And how long have you been here?
Just after Mark, just after 6:15.
That's dedication, isn't it? How many tops are you buying?
Four Newcastle tops today. One for myself, one for my son, and two for my grandchildren.
Hello, mate. What's your name?
Hello, I'm John. How are you doing?
I'm really good, thanks. How are you? Yeah, you're near the front of the queue, third in line, I think.
Oh, I'm well in the queue. Yeah, I got here about 6:30 this morning, just after. And I just wanted to be here, you know what I mean? It's and get me new top. I've seen it in a cellar. It's spelled ales backwards, you know. So I think it's like it's the beer theme, you know, like McEwen's Lager and Newcastle breweries and all that, and McEwen's Lager. It's just a big sponsorship thing, isn't it? You know, and just we're up and over, you know, 25 million a season. That's not bad. Buy with some players that, you know what I mean? And like I say, we've got about 20 minutes or something to wait, and that door's going to open, and there's going to be about 400 people flying in. You know, you just want to be here and have that top on, you know what I mean? It's like a suit, you know, it's unbelievable.
Taylor, you're near the front of the queue. How excited are you about getting the new shirt?
Really excited because I like it. I think it looks cool.
Whose name are you going to get in the back?
Oh, it's got to be Botman number 4.
What do you think of the new Sealer logo?
It's all right. I wish I had Fun 88 on it still though, but I like it.
How many shirts are you buying today?
I've got 3 to buy for my mates. I've got the 3 kids to buy for. I'm going to buy me one. I wanted the pro kit, but I don't know if that's out this morning or not. So chances are I'm going to have to buy a top and then come back and get the pro top as well. So I don't mind.
How excited are you about getting the new shirt?
I cannot wait. I'm going on holiday tomorrow, so it's a must-have, isn't it?
Where are you off?
At Medina.
And whose name are you going to get in the back?
I haven't decided yet. Probably Joe Linton, I think.
What do you think about the new logo, Sealer, the new sponsors?
I googled them yesterday to see what they're all about, and if we can help them grow and they can help us grow, why not?
Hello guys, what's your names?
It's Gary.
Tracy.
Oh, that's an accent not from here?
No, Yorkshire lass. Wakefield.
Have you been bullied into being a Newcastle fan?
No, always been a Newcastle fan. Big Shearer fan.
Got Harry on the left, Sean, his dad.
What time did you get here?
7:15.
So whose name are you going to get in the back of your shirt?
Kieran Trippitt.
What about the white socks?
I don't like the white socks. I don't wear them, so it didn't make no difference to me really, but it should have been the black with the white stripe at the top really.
Hello Jack, you just arrived to get the new shirt. How excited are you?
Very excited, very excited. Looks really nice.
Yeah, I've already got the badges on last season's one. I was a bit excited, like I did it a few weeks before we qualify.
Do you get a new shirt every time they come out?
I haven't for the last few years, just because of the cost of them, whatever. But I got these ones last year. I got all 3 of them.
What's your general view of Castor and the design and the new logo with Sealer?
I think it's pretty nice. Like a lot of people don't like them because of the quality and whatever of the shirts, but I think they make nice designs, and yeah, I prefer them to Puma anyway. So I thought with the previous Puma ones they didn't get the sizings too well.
Are you a fan of the white socks?
I do like the white socks. I like it when the kits are predominantly white. You know, you get certain ones that are more white and ones that are more black. I think the ones that are more white look a bit nicer. So
Everybody's in there now buying their new kits. So yeah, with Castor again, I think we've still got a couple of years left. It's not popular with everybody. Of course, we didn't get a very good deal under Mike Ashley, and I'm aware that there's some sort of possibly sizing or logistical issues with Castor. Personally, I love the kit. I think it's classic. I think it's sleek. It looks really good. I'm a huge fan of Castor, the kit. I hope we'll keep it on as long as we can iron out some of those issues that we've experienced. It's an English company as well. It's absolutely rammed in here. You kind of get moved. There's hundreds in here, and the queue to get the names on the back. They're snaking around the store. They're going to be waiting here for ages to get the names on. But oh, look at this one. It's £70 for the new shirt. God, these things aren't cheap, man. I'm not going to get one today. I'm going to come back later on and get mine and get the name on the back. Tyneside Life. But yeah, the white socks as well. That's stoking up a little bit of divided opinion. Some people aren't a fan of the white socks. Personally, I don't mind either way. Right, let's have a look at your new shirt. Tell us what you think.
Correct colours.
Didn't lose your receipt.
Oh no, just in case. Correct colours, nice black on the front, black and white on the front. Not that blue. Yeah, not that blue that we had before. It's class.
Darren Neils has mentioned in a very recent video that Sealer are going to be working in partnership with the club to pull on their expertise in terms of creating a fan zone behind the Gallagher end here. The land of Strawberry Place, of course, was bought back by the owners back in February. So it's going to be really interesting to see what Sealer do in terms of their knowledge and expertise with this fan zone idea, which we're going to have here at St James's Park for, I guess, probably another 2 or 3 years. Hope it's running up for the beginning of the season. I don't know if it will be, but it's such exciting times, man. The fans in there are absolutely loving it. Exciting times for Newcastle United. That's it for another video. Let us know if you liked the video, but also let us know if you're going to buy the new shirt, and if you do, what your thoughts are of Castor, the new design. Certainly from the people I've spoke to, really love it. And until next time, catch you later.